Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Generally we talk about good stuff, be it decently performing trading platforms, accurate research houses, best stockbroking houses in the country and whatnot. But today we are going a bit off the point. We will talk about 5 mobile trading apps that you can avoid, you should stay away from. One thing at the very foremost needs to be understood that designing and developing a decently performing mobile trading app is difficult. That's why there are very few stockbroking houses in the country that are able to do it. But that doesn't mean that the ones who are not able to provide you a good trading mobile application are bad stockbroking houses. It's just that there is one weak link in their overall value, which is the mobile app. They can probably design it in a better way, they can deliver it in a good way, but as of now their trading mobile apps are performing really worse. It doesn't really give much of a value to the clients, and that's why we have come up with this list. Now let's get started. Before we jump onto this list and start talking about it, let's talk how did we in the first place come up with this list. So we have had a word with a lot of clients, got a feedback from them around the user experience, speed, performance, a lot of features, accessibility these mobile apps provides them, the percentage of negative ratings on iOS and Google Play Store, what kind of update frequency cycle these stockbrokers are following for their mobile apps. Is it weekly, bi-monthly, monthly, quarterly? The number of installs has to be in the range of at least 10,000 to 50,000. It can be more than that, but we have not intentionally picked up smaller stockbroking houses for the simple reason probably they are new, they want some time, and that's why I've picked up some mature stockbroking houses who have not been able to deliver any sort of value to their clients through the mobile app yet. And the minimum number of reviews has to be at least 200. They can be more than that, but can't be less than that. So this is the sort of a criteria we have put in the first place to come up with this list. Now let's talk about the first one. First and foremost name in this list is SAS Online. If you watched our video of 5 worst stockbrokers in the country, SAS Online, unfortunately for them, also features in that, for the simple reason they've got a lot of aspects to clear out, be it their customer service or trading platforms. If we talk specifically about their mobile app, the usability of the app in the first place is very low. There are very few features that you can access, and they at the same time are very tough to understand in the first place. For example, the market watch list you can add maximum 2, where we have some mature applications these days allow you to do 5 or 10 watch list. Here in this case the maximum number is 2, and with a cap of 30 scripts. Again, the number of scripts that we have seen in other apps is ranging from 50 to 70 to 100. So a lot of improvement that can be done in terms of the features they provide. The UI is very basic. If you look at the screenshot, the right part of the screen, the UI looks very outdated at the first place. The update frequency cycle is the biggest worry in this case of SAS Online. The last update was done on January 26, 2015. The only point that we can think of is that they designed and developed the mobile app and probably forgotten about it. That's the only possibility we can see, because it's been more than 2 years. We are sitting on March 25th, 2017. So it's been good 2 years, 2 months that the mobile app has seen an update. If you talk about numbers, yes, it crosses 10,000 to 50,000, decent size 27.1 MB, but it has got 37% of negative reviews. It's got 314 reviews overall and has been rated at 3.2 at Google Play Store. So yeah, there are a lot of aspects that can be fixed when it comes to SAS Online, especially their update frequency cycle. The next name in the list is Anand Rathi. Now, Anand Rathi is known to be one good stockbroker when it comes to research and recommendations. However, when it comes to mobile app, yes, this is one grey area for them as of now. If you look at the performance, the app doesn't work that smoothly. It takes time to load irrespective of the internet connection. So even if you are working at a 4G connection, you might face some loading issues. The features are also limited, although the update frequency cycle is okayish in nature, but when it comes to the number of features the mobile app offers, they are still limited. And when you want to do any technical or fundamental analysis on your own, you will face some difficult time using the charting functionality or technical indicators or any sort of screeners within the app. And the worst part of the app is the customer resolution is very slow in nature. So in case you're stuck and you're doing some intraday trades, your expectations might face a wall when it comes to Anand Rathi. Looking at numbers, the app is around 40 MB. The negative percentage is close to 37%. The app is rated at 2.9 by overall 225 verified users on Google Play Store. Then we have Karvy Online. It faces a similar problem of low performance, especially in its order execution. So there is a possibility that you might lose out on potential gain opportunities. Furthermore, the user friendliness of the app around its user interface, if you look at the color combinations, the size of the font, there's definitely that can be improved when it comes to the mobile app. Then you will face consistently login and logout issues. Probably if you're working on a mobile app, you will be logged out automatically in 15 minutes or 30 minutes. Some users have reported that problem. The last update of Karvy Online was done on 11th of November 2016. So good 5 months have passed and the app hasn't seen any update yet. If you look at the stats, 50,000 to 1 lakh are the number of installs. It's pretty bulky at 43.1 MB. Also the same negative percentage as Anand Rathi. Karvy Online has 37%. The overall rating of Karvy Online is placed at 3.2. So this is Karvy Online for you. Again, not recommended sort of a mobile app from our digital blogger. Next up is Senco. Now Senco is possibly the worst mobile trading app in India according to user interviews, feedback, Google Play Store, iOS, or whatever you can think of when it comes to research. Now it's very difficult to use in the first place, so the user experience goes for a toss. Even if you are using a 4G, 3G, you are living in a bigger city, smaller city, it does not really matter. It has some basic issues with its charts. Specifically, you're talking about candlestick charts which are used for technical and fundamental analysis. You can't place 15-minute duration or a 30-minute duration or a 1-hour duration. Definitely the performance issues are there, so it's highly unrecommended. If you look at the stats as well, the app is rated at 2.7, so it definitely goes hand in hand with the customer voice. It's rated by around 914 people, and out of those, around 52%, more than half of the users have rated the app at either 1 or 2. So Senco is definitely one way you don't want to go when it comes to their mobile app. Now the final name in the list might surprise you, but it is ICICI Direct. It has some basic feature issues at portfolio management and trade booking. It doesn't work that smoothly as you can expect from a mobile app. Its usage is also complicated, so it brings its user experience to questionable parts. And the fund allocation aspect can't be done through the app, so you have to either use the trading platform or the web app of ICICI Direct. Looking at stats, it has been downloaded by 5 lakh to 1 million, super bulky at 47.1 MB, has been rated by more than 10,000 users and negatively at around 30% of those. Overall rating at 3.4, and the last update of the app was done in August 2016. A good 7-8 months the app has seen an update. In fact, some of the clients even told us that this app is actually not an app, it's more of a mobile website that has been fit into a mobile app. So that's actually a shame for such a huge brand name. So one recommendation through ICICI Direct is that they actually need to improve the overall layout, the user experience, and figure out how they can improve their update frequency on their mobile app. So these are some few names when it comes to low performing mobile apps. There were some other names in the list as well, but since we are talking only about the 5 worst performing, and we have put up some limitations in terms of the number of installs and the overall reviewers, so that's why they could not make the list, fortunately for them. So we will not recommend you to use either of these apps, but it's your choice at the end of the day, because there are other factors, other huge factors that come into picture apart from mobile platforms in choosing a stockbroker. So that's it for the video. In case you're still not sure, you want us to work with you on selecting a stockbroker for you that suits you perfectly, you can check out this link, ourdigitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details there and we will set up a callback for you. That's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Our Digital Blogger, for similar videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching the video again. Have a great time. Bye-bye.